Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming model compatibility and updating firmware. This avoids connection errors. Power both devices and make sure the remote has at least half charge. Low power can drop GPS locks. Open the Insta360 app, grant location permissions, and follow the pairing prompt to connect the remote to the camera over Bluetooth. Once paired, enable GPS logging in the camera menu so coordinates sync. Make sure to keep phone Bluetooth on while pairing. It acts as the bridge if needed. Once connected, configure the GPS update interval and coordinate format in the camera settings so location stamps match your workflow. You should map the remote buttons to photo, video tracking, or a custom action to reduce on-camera handling. Next, set resolution and frame rate. Higher settings increase file size and may affect metadata write speed, so balance quality versus performance. Make sure GPS metadata embedding is enabled. This writes coordinates to files. If you use cold starts, allow extra time for a full satellite fix. You initiate recording from the remote and confirm the live GPS icon and correct timestamp on the camera or app. That tells you data is being logged. After capture, sync footage in the Insta360 app or desktop studio to embed GPS into maps or export a GPX file for external mapping. If GPS fails, restart the camera and remote, repair via the app, verify location permissions, and give the camera 5 to 10 minutes for a full satellite fix before retrying. That fix solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.